All right, so we have another example where we are going to make a prediction. So we have a local dentist. He wants to know how many adults in a town receive local cleanings. The dentist surveys 120 random adults living in the town, and he finds 84 people receive regular cleanings. If there are 8,500 adults in the town, how many can be expected to receive regular cleanings? Okay, so first thing is we're going to set it up as a proportional relationship. Remember, it's going to be a part to whole relationship. The one side is going to be about what we surveyed, and then the other side is going to be about the population. Okay. So what do we know? The part is going to be 100, sorry, 84 people are receiving regular cleaning. So that is the piece. And out of that survey, the total would be 120. So remember that 120 is 120 represents our sample. They've used a survey, which we've talked about at the beginning of this module, and our the sample, we've received 84 people that are receiving regular cleanings. The population, that means all of them, is going to be 8,500. So we're going to set that over here. So 8,500 is our population. That's the whole for the entire town. And so we need to figure out how many of those people, those 8,500 people, can be expected to get their teeth cleaned. And so we're going to use the cross multiply method for this one. So under the cross multiply, remember you just set it up like that and multiply the sides that are across from each other, and we're going to set them so they're equal to one another. So we have 84 on one side times 8,500, and that is going to be equal to 120 times x. So it's going to look like this. And so I'm going to simplify this side here. So we have 84 times 8,500, and we get 714,000, and that is going to be equal to 120x. Remember, the variable is not isolated because it is being multiplied, so we need to use division for us to isolate the variable. So we're going to divide both sides by 120. When we divide both sides by 120, we end up with 5,950, and that is equal to 120 divided by 120 becomes 1x. So x is going to be 5,950. So in this case, this means that 5,950 people are expected to get their teeth cleaned.